Want that effortless beach glow? We'll help you achieve it easily by mastering the art of contouring and highlighting that best suit your skin tone that lasts from day till night. Enjoy! And don't forget to subscribe! Let's start with Morena, the skin tone of most Pinays. But first, make sure to prep the skin with primer and foundation. Feel free to experiment with makeup. Did you know that you can use a brow pencil for contour? Start by applying contour on the bridge of the nose. Use the tip of the ear as your guide and draw a light line across the cheek. Don't forget to put some on the temple across the skin below the hairline. Now, Rach is ready for some highlighting! Start on top of the cheekbones and move your way to the temple. Don't forget the nose! Make your eyes pop by using a shade that's perfect for summer and, of course, mascara. Finish the look with the MARC Liquid Lipstick Shine in Skyline Nude. Now, let's proceed to a more neutral or medium skin tone. Of course, don't forget to prep the skin. Using the bronzer of the MARC Duo Glow Cheek Color Highlighter in Beach Babe, place contour on the cheek using the tip of your ear as a guide. Proceed to your temple and move around the forehead. Make sure to push the contour into your hairline for a seamless blend. Don't forget the nose, then blend away. Time to make Princess glow! Apply the MARC Duo Glow Cheek Color Highlighter in Beach Babe on top of the cheekbones, nose, under the eyebrows, and blend away. Don't forget to add some shimmer on the eyes. Add drama and definition by putting on some mascara. Of course, lather the lips with a shiny liquid lipstick. Before putting on makeup, start by prepping the skin with the basics. Using the MARC Duo Glow Cheek Color Highlighter in Vacation Glow, contour the face by starting on the cheeks, then move upward to the temple, and place some on the jawline and nose. We'll help Mika glow up with some highlighter using the MARC Duo Glow Cheek Color Highlighter in Vacation Glow. Choose the shade you want from the MARC Eye Impressionist 8-in-1 Wet and Dry Eyeshadow Palette in Nude Muse to amp up the eyes and finish off with mascara. Glaze the lips with the MARC Liquid Lipstick Shine in Love Bite. We hope you learned a lot and enjoyed our latest video. Make sure to subscribe for more by following our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/avonph, on Twitter at twitter.com/avonph, and on Facebook at facebook.com/avonphilippines.